In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save extracted audio in CapCut. We'll be working on a PC, and by the end, you'll have an MP3 file of the audio from any video you choose. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along without pausing. Start by opening CapCut on your computer. Once it's open, bring in the video you want to pull audio from. You can click the import button and select your file, or simply drag the video from your desktop or folder into the media area. After it's in your media bin, drag that video down into the workspace, also known as the timeline, so it becomes an active clip you can edit. You should see the video appear as a clip, and depending on your view settings, you might notice a faint waveform that indicates the audio is attached. Next, right-click directly on the video clip in the timeline and choose Extract Audio. CapCut will separate the audio from the video and place it as its own track beneath the clip. This doesn't change your original file, it just creates a detached audio layer in your project. You'll know it worked when you see a new audio track appear. If you play the timeline now, you'll hear the audio coming from that separate track. Now that the audio is extracted, remove the video so you're left with only the sound. Click the video clip in the timeline to select it and press delete. Be sure you're selecting the video layer and not the audio layer. If you accidentally remove the audio, just undo and try again. Keeping only the audio ensures that when you export, CapCut will render an audio file instead of a video. With the audio isolated, it's time to export it as an MP3. Click the export button, choose the audio format and select MP3. Give your file a clear name and choose a destination folder you'll remember. If you see options for quality or bitrate, pick a setting that matches your needs. Higher bit rates generally mean better quality and larger file sizes. Confirm the settings, then start the export. CapCut will process the file and save it as an MP3 to the location you chose. That's it. You opened CapCut, imported your video, extracted the audio, removed the video clip, and exported the sound as an MP3. Save your project if you want to reuse the setup later. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly extracted audio.